Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a fun, quick project with Gemma. We're going to make some little wooden people and then paint them together once we're done. I'll be using a lot of power tools to make these little wooden people, so she's just going to be watching. She's having a lot of fun just sitting beside me, watching me work. So I'm making sure I have all the safety gear on her with safety glasses and headphones so it's not too loud for her, but she absolutely loves helping me in my shop. To start, I cut several different pieces of blocks in various lengths, and I'm going to be taking this over to my lathe and start shaping this. And I'm going for a very simplistic shape of a person with just a round head on the top, and I'll round over the shoulders and taper those down to the body. Once I'm done shaping, I'll also be sanding it down right here on the lathe, and that'll make sanding a little bit quicker as well. Now that's one person down. I'm going to make several more real quick and speed right through these. So I'm going to be making a family. Gemma wanted to make one just like ours, so there'll be two larger pieces for the mom and the dad, and then one for a kiddo and one for a baby, as well as a small cat too. Now I'm going to take it over to the belt sander and smooth out anything that couldn't be reached on the lathe. Now everything's done sanding. All we need to do now is take it upstairs and paint these together. Alright, what color should we make mommy?
Yellow.
Yellow. This yellow?
Yes.
Okay.
And make this one pink.
Alright. So my plan is to paint all of these myself real quick, and then I have one extra one that I'm going to let Gemma paint all by herself at the end. She absolutely loves painting, so she's really excited about this, and I was shocked at how patiently she sat here waiting and watching me paint these till she could get a turn. What color should Daddy's be?
Blue.
Blue? What color blue? This blue or this blue?
That blue.
The light blue? Okay. Okay, what color do we make Lana?
Not pink.
What's Lana's favorite color?
Orange.
Orange? Alright, should we do it this orange?
Yes.
Okay. Gus is gray. Let's see, where's the white?
White.
White and black makes gray together. What's Gemma's favorite color?
Oh, and don't mind use this.
No, this one's you can paint, but this one Daddy's gonna paint. What color do you want me to make this one? Pink?
And no, and this one use this one be pink.
Okay, both of them will be pink. Okay. Did you dip it in paint?
Dip.
Good job. Want me to turn it a little bit? Good job. Wow. Here, guess what? If you hold it closer, right? Let go a little bit. Right there. There, you'll be able to control it a little better because it's so close. See? Oh, I think you need a little bit more paint. You're running out. Gotta dip it again.
Dip.
Good job. Whoa. Now once the paint has dried, I'm going to put a clear coat polyacrylic. It's a clear finish over top of this, so it'll seal the paint and the wood and protect everything. Once this is dry, I'm going to sand it down and then put another coat over top to seal it again. The first coat you put on lots of times makes the wood expand and rough patches and splinters become more noticeable and stick out of the wood. So I'm going to sand this down real quick, very lightly, to take off those rough patches and the splinters. And then I'll put one more coat of clear coat over top of this, and then they'll be ready to play with. Alright, that just about finishes up the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. This right here, you can see how the little people turned out. They're very simplistic, simple, and easy to make. And it's a really fun project to make with a kid. Gemma absolutely loved helping me out with this, painting her own piece, and watching me go through the process of making these. And she thinks they're really special. And she's had a lot of fun playing with them this week.
Stop taking
Oh, they just stand there?
Yeah.
Don't forget to hit that like button down below if you like this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I upload a new video each week. Hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.